I move on to the next question.
Move to strike, Your Honor. It's counsel is testifying.
I mean, Your Honor, that's a
motion-
manifestation and what
Motion
we...
denied. Motion denied, counsel. I mean,
Yeah. You should do your own
let it stay in the
manifestation,
record.
Okay, now, Madam Witness, sinabi mo kanina, si Colonel Lachica naman yung may access to security information, kaya siya yung may alam sa confidential activities. Tsaka, naalala mo sinabi mo yan kanina, di po ba?
Oo.
Now,
Opo.
and then, kinonfront kayo ng counsel for the defense, wala naman daw sa joint circular na yung trabaho ng special disbursing officer dapat alam yung mga confidential activities. Yun yung sagot nyo, di po ba?
Nalibog. I'm
Confused
confused.
ka. Ayan, yun na yun, ma'am. Naku-confuse po kayo kung ako yung nagtatanong.
Usapon niyo. Repeat,
I'm
Your
just
Honor.
repeating this series of questions that were propounded to you by the defense. Uulitin ko. I will indulge. Ma'am, sinabi niyo kanina, si Colonel Lachica yung nag-i-implement ng confidential activities kasi siya yung may access to security information. Yun, napakaklaro niyan, ma'am, ha?
Opo.
Naaalala niyo po ba yan?
Opo, Your
Now,
Honor.
sinabi niyo rin, kinonfirm mo yung observation ng Defense Counsel na on the other hand, yung Special Disbursing Officer naman, wala naman nakasulat dyan na may alam about confidential activities. Naaalala niyo po ba yan? Yung sagot niyo.
Yes, naalala ko.
Okay.
Sagot ko sa kay Attorney
Ano yung pangalan ng attorney, ma'am, if you know?
Lyndon.
Ma'am, kailan niyo nakausap si Attorney Lyndon before this
Attorney
testimony?
Lyndon.
Not
Ma'am,
part of the
It is.
cross,
It is.
Your Honor.
It is. Ma'am, kailan niyo last
counsel
nakausap?
may impeach the witness. She has been declared a hostile witness.
Ma'am, look at me, ma'am. Tingin ka sa
Yes,
akin.
sir.
Ma'am, you are under oath.
Opo.
Yes, ma'am. Kailan mo last nakausap si Attorney Lyndon?
Last week. Last week pa.
Last week or last week?
Last week. Kasi last week, umuwi ako ng Davao to visit my husband.
And then, so doon mo nakita sa Attorney Lyndon?
No.
Last week.
Last week pa.
Ano
Before I
pag-usapan niyo,
go.
ma'am? We're interested. Ano pag-usapan niyo?
Na ano lang, natanong ko lang sa kanya kung what is the proceedings kung sa Senate hearing.
Mhm. And then, ano sinabi ni Attorney Lyndon?
Ganito, tatanungin po kayo, ma'am. Tapos,
Oo.
bla bla bla. Doon
And
ka
then, sinasabi niya ano yung mga tanong itatanong sa'yo, hindi po ba?
Wala siyang sinasabi, Your Honor.
Okay, anyways. Now, let's go back. Sinasabi mo, security officer may access to security information. Now, if the tech is ready, can we show 3.27? 3.27 ng joint circular. But this is rather brief. I will read for everyone's consumption. Security officer refers to a personnel who by reason of his duty or employment has been officially designated as such to have access to security information. Tanong, nasa 3.27 ba, yung nabanggit kong provision, yung terminong confidential activities, yes or no? Wala.
Ay.
Ma'am, wala, di ba? Yes or no?
Confidential.
Wala po ba? Security information. Ma'am, I will confront you with a document. Please, Attorney Mark.
Asa siya? This one.
Oh. Mhm. Wala dyan, di po ba?
Wala po dito.
Now, pero on the other hand, 3.29, this time the definition of a special disbursing officer, nakasulat dyan, refers to head of agency or a regular employee designated by the head of agency to be in charge of making disbursements of CF. Anong ibig sabihin ng CF?
Sa akong, in my own understanding, Your Honor,
Confidential.
CF means confidential funds.
Agree. Sa dalawang provision na yan, napakaklaro, trabaho mo as a special disbursing officer yung pag-disburse ng confidential funds. Wala